Hello friends, in this video we are going to see various free engineering courses which are available in online. So all engineering students can make use of it. So some of the courses you need to pay and then learn, and many free courses are also there. I will help you to access all the courses. So just follow whatever instruction I just give. So initially you have to choose UDMY. So if you can type in Google, means you can type it up, or else also I will give you a link in the description. Once you click on the link, you will be directed here. Actually, this is a platform for students to enhance their knowledge in various field, and various informations can be easily grabbed and learned. So kindly don't miss it up, and all students can make use of it. So just scroll down, you can see A to Z design of rooftop solar power plant. So for making it, you need to basic is AutoCAD, right? So feature, see here in bottom you will be having various options. You have to click on featured courses. Just click on featured courses. So in AutoCAD you can get complete AutoCAD 2018 to 21 course. So you need to pay 1920 if you want. If you want 2021 in mechanical 2D and 3D complete course, you have to pay around 3499. And various job opportunities for EC and electrical is also there. So once you click search option, just go to search, and whichever field or whichever course you want, you can search and identify whether it's available or not. So topmost you can see, so various for all departments is available, not only for mechanical. So all department people can make use of it. So just scroll down, you can see various job opportunities like solar energy for beginners, complete solar energy course. So just scroll down. So once you come here, you will be having an option to filter. All of you kindly make a note of it. So here you can have an option to filter. Just click on filter, so that you can see various opportunities, and for filtering it up. So ratings, or how much you have to pay, and almost 10,000 courses are available for a paid one, and almost 7,000 courses are available for free one. So here also you can see the level. So whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or expert, or all level, so whichever thing you just choose it up. Okay, you just choose free course on all level, means if you give apply, means you can get all the opportunities which are prevailing and available in the online. So just click apply. So various courses will be coming. If you or see here, design studio certification by Solar Lab, it's free, and thermal modeling for solar energy system is free. So likewise, whichever department you belonging to, so whichever area of interest is yours, means depending upon that you just choose the courses which you want. So few will be free and few you have to pay it up. So whichever is convenient for you. I'm not canvassing you to apply and pay your money and learn the course. It's absolutely up to you whether to pay or not. Okay, I'm not asking you or canvassing you to pay the amount and learn the course. It's 100%, it's up to you only. I'm just telling these are the possibilities and things which are available in online. So if you feel, means whichever suits you, or whichever it's your dream goal, you just make the best use of it. So once you click on it, means you will be enrolled it, and just follow all the instruction whatever they tell, and regularly attend the classes so that you can gain knowledge. So if whichever language you want, so maximum we'll choose English only. Choose English and just click apply, and apply for the course whichever you want. So if you feel this video is useful, means kindly share the video to all engineering and diploma students. They will be making the best use of it. And kindly subscribe our channel and stay tuned with the channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities and all important notifications whichever it's important to a BE or BTech graduates. We will be notifying you and intimating you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.